Hello, and welcome to the assembly guide for the Cascais 72-inch dining table with the industrial base. You will receive the table in two boxes, the top and the base, each with their own assembly instructions. Even if your box is damaged, it doesn't mean the product is damaged, and we offer free replacement parts if something is broken or missing. Our furniture is both 100% solid wood and 100% sourced from renewable forests in Brazil. As you open and unpack the box, we recommend organizing all like pieces together. Take note which edges of piece 01 have the pilot holes and will be facing each other. A downloadable PDF of the assembly instructions is available for download on the products page on grainwoodfurniture.com. You may need to use the second Allen key to hold the Allen nut B45 while fastening the B7 bolt. Metal dowels, hardware item D51, into place gently using a hammer. Double check the pilot holes on the end panels. Pieces 02 line up correctly. They should favor the bottom of the table. If you are having trouble getting the end panels on, you can use a hammer, but employ a buffer like folded up cardboard or a small piece of wood so you don't damage the table. While unpacking the base, we recommend organizing all like pieces together. Use the pilot holes on the lower cross piece, P03, to ensure proper orientation. The larger hole should face down or toward the outside of the support. The base is symmetrical, so you will need to complete these steps twice to build both supports. Do your best to center these felt pads on the bottom of the legs. Once both bases are built, it is time to mount them to the tabletop. with the B25 bolts on the 4 corners of the supports. When tapping in the wood caps, use a plastic handle, a rubber mallet, or a buffer if only a regular hammer is available.